Hi everyone, this is CHOHO. Welcome to another video. Today's theme is, as you see here, Pokemon. As you see here, this is a Pokedex that I made with last year's Happy Meal. This was from 2021, McDonald's collaboration with Pikachu here. I put some stickers and then with the journal spread, created my own version of Pokemon Go Pokedex. This is to keep track of how many candy I would need to evolve them and actually have all of them. So for instance, like if it's gotcha, it means I've actually caught them. Gotta catch them means I need to catch them. I need to update this because I've actually caught all 151. Yay! So I wrote here that my goal was to catch 149 of them. In fact, I was able to achieve it, so I'm going to update this. But mainly, I am going to do a little bit of unboxing. This is from 2022, so this year's Happy Meal. I believe the one that has the most value is the hologram Pikachu, but I'm pretty happy with any card that I get because I don't really plan to keep them. I want to use them for journaling, so do more spreads like these. All right, so without further ado, I shall begin. Interesting. Oh, okay. Instructions. All right, on 3, 2, 1, boom! Pikachu! That is really cute. I would really like to put some glitter on it to make it extra cute, maybe extra sparkle, but I like it. Okay. And Pikachu. Nice. All right, the first set was for Pikachu. And here comes the main event. I watch a lot of ASMR videos where they open these, and I've always wanted to open my own set, so here goes nothing. I'm very happy about being able to do mine. All right, so there's only 4, so I don't have to do the card trick. All right, starting with boom, Victini. Okay, that is a cute card. It says Victory Dive. You may search your deck for up to 2 cards and put them into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. Okay, that is pretty. Right, so my first card is Victini. Next up is Chinchu. Is it Chinchou? Chinchou? Snap, I'm not really sure the exact pronunciation, but he has Electro Ball as his power. Chinchu. Yeah, Chinchu. Chinchou. All right. Next up, Lapras. Oh my god, that is a really pretty card. Lapras. The white portion of it makes it look like it has eyes, like the killer whale. Wintry Call and Icy Wind. Oh, that is a really pretty card. And last but not least is a cutie fly. What a cutie pie. That is really cute. All right, so that's my first pull. I'm going to the next set. Oh, another Pikachu. It's possible that I might get a double. Same exact card set. I just hope that I'm able to get some new cards. Let's see. Fingers crossed. I don't think I pulled really good cards last year as well, so no problemo with that. Just give me something else, something new. That's all I ask. All right, ready, go. Growlithe! Oh, wow. Oh my god. Warm up and combustion. Growlithe is one of my favorites, and this year, 2022, is the year of the tiger. So that is perfect. And that illustration is so cute. It's like a little doggy sitting on the porch. Wow, good card. Very happy with that. Next up is Ladiba. Ladiba? I need to study how to pronounce some of these words. But a ladybug Pokemon. Very cute. Next up, Flaffy. I like when I get it because I like the evolved form. That is cute. Flaffy. Flaffy Taffy. And last but not least is another cutie pie. Cutie fly, not cutie pie. You know, I'm really happy about pulling Growlithe. That was a good pull. So these are my two pulls. Regardless, I'll be using these to do a little bit of journaling if I can. Maybe a scrapbooking style journaling. This is a little prop. It's jelly that I got at a convenience store in Seoul. And I won't be eating this, but I thought it'd be a cute addition to this team. Same thing. This is Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I've visited a Pokemon pop-up store in Seoul, and they sold donuts and ice cream, everything that is Pokemon inspired. I got the sensational Pokemon bread there as well. I will be uploading that pop-up store vlog soon. The next thing I'm going to do is do a little bit of unboxing. At the pop-up store that I visited, they were selling these stackable figures. This is what they look like. I would really like a Psyduck. Honestly, I am okay with anything. I'm not a big fan of Sylveon. I do really like Eevee. So anything goes. I would be really happy maybe with Snorlax, Psyduck, or Eevee. As long as it's not Sylveon, I think I'll be really happy. Got Korean in here. I believe it was about $4 or so. All right, it's like Simpson style. Okay, here goes. On 3, 2, boom! Psyduck! Oh my god, that is so cute. It's like a little crown almost. That tail detail, that is so cute. So I got my wish, which was Psyduck. You know, it's always sort of confused. That's why I really like Psyduck. I could relate to him. So let me see if he would be able to stand here. Nope, not even close. All right, then I'm going to move on to finishing or updating this in a bit. See ya.